Hey SaaS hunters, what if I told you that right now, AppSumo is dropping some of the hottest AI tools of 2025, and you can grab lifetime deals for the price of a dinner? From writing SEO-optimized captions, building custom chatbots, launching video campaigns, to real-time streaming, today I'm diving into 9 handpicked AI tools from AppSumo's AI Week that are absolute game changers for marketers, creators, founders, and agencies alike. These are not your run-of-the-mill apps. Each one is designed to either save time, automate tedious tasks, or boost engagement massively. So buckle in, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which of these deals are worth your time and possibly your next best growth hack. Let's get into it. Number 1. Vadoo.AI. AI-powered video editing and hosting with personalization. Vadoo.AI is more than just a video host. Think of it as Wistia meets ChatGPT. It lets you record, host, share, and personalize videos using AI. But the kicker? You get AI-powered video summaries, transcripts, and even AI-generated titles to skyrocket video SEO. Perfect for coaches, SaaS marketers, and course creators. Use case. Embed product demo videos with personalized intros using AI in under 5 minutes. Hot take. The loom killer for marketers who want more than just screen recording. Number 2. AltText.ai. Instant SEO image alt text generator. Ever uploaded 30 images to your blog and skipped adding alt text? Yeah, we've all been there. AltText.ai uses smart AI models to instantly write descriptive alt text for every image on your site, improving both accessibility and SEO. Drag, drop, done. Supports bulk uploads. Works for e-commerce, blogging, and even agencies managing client sites. Time saver. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Number 3. Sender. AI-powered email generator and sender. Tired of writing the same cold emails or nurture sequences? Sender auto-generates personalized, high-converting emails in seconds. Choose your tone. Select intent. Promo, reminder, follow-up. Review, and send bonus. It tracks open rates and responses, so you're not just sending emails, you're optimizing campaigns. Pro tip. Great for solopreneurs or agencies that need fast client outreach. Number 4. Playzo. AI script to video tool for YouTube, TikTok, Reels. Playzo is a gem for content creators who want to turn text into high-quality short videos automatically. Just drop in a script or blog post, and Playzo will generate slides, images, transitions, and even voiceovers. Great for Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts. AI voice? Check. Social formats? Covered. Engagement? Up. Game changer. 4. YouTubers, course creators, and social media managers. Number 5. Dadan AI. AI content. Idea generator and research assistant. Stuck in content paralysis? Dadan is like a digital strategist in your pocket. It generates viral content ideas, helps with competitive research, and even finds trending hooks. Features: topic ideation, post scheduling, AI blog, outline creation. Use it to plan 30 days of content in an hour. I did. It worked. Number 6. Noem AI. All-in-one AI content and branding assistant. This one's for the agencies and startups. Noem AI lets you generate brand kits, logos, value propositions, mission statements, the whole 9 yards, using AI. Brand tone selection. Logo and brand colors. Taglines and About Us sections. Most tools focus on content. Noem helps you build the actual brand foundation. Number 7. Creative Score. AI content grader for marketers. Imagine Grammarly, but for marketing content performance. Creative Score grades your landing pages, ads, emails, and even social posts, and tells you what works and what doesn't. It scores hook strength, emotional pull readability, call to action effectiveness. Why I love it. You don't just get feedback, you get a game plan. Number 8. Chatbot Builder. Build custom AI chatbots without code. This is like having a 24/7 support team powered by AI. With the Chatbot Builder, you can create personalized AI chatbots for websites, landing pages, or even WhatsApp. No coding, drag and drop UI. Use it to answer FAQs, capture leads, qualify prospects. Ideal for agencies, consultants, or Shopify owners wanting better conversions. Number 9. LyveCom. Live AI-powered sales and support chat. LyveCom is next-level live chat. It's a hybrid of human plus AI, letting you answer customers instantly while learning from every conversation. Features: real-time chat widget, sales-driven AI suggestions, CRM integration, boost sales, reduce cart abandonment. Simple. All right. That's a wrap on 9 insanely valuable AI tools you can grab right now from AppSumo's AI Week deals. Whether you're a marketer, coach, agency, or solopreneur, these tools help you work smarter, faster, and scale your growth. And let's not forget, you're getting lifetime deals. One-time payment, forever access. Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more SaaS reviews every week. These deals are limited, and AppSumo doesn't joke when they say, gone for good. Check the links in the description to lock in your deal now. So, subscribe to this channel. I will catch you in the next review. Stay sassy.